Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here carburettor kit. Okay, this is a conversion to do your bike to carburettor. You basically, we either do a complete manifold if you really want a Mikuni manifold, okay, which is a lot more, about another 100 quid, or we do this adapter. This will fit onto your original manifold. Okay, you take the old one off, and we do oval port as well. Okay, and then basically your carburettor, this beautiful HSR, as you can see, 42, this is going to go on here. Okay, you're going to connect your cables up. This uses stock Harley cables anyway. This is then going to go on here, this is going to go on here, and then the air filter will basically go on top of here, giving you, you know, it's pretty old school, good, cool look. But obviously we do masses of other filters as well. Okay, so we do well, masses, I mean, we do P&M, we do Joker Machine, you know, we do all sorts. Now, this particular video also shows the ignition kit we do. It's called a standalone ignition, and this is actually to convert a twin cam to petrol carburettor system instead of EFI. Do sell a hell of a lot of these, especially in America. So if you want to convert your bike, give us a call. We do all these kits. We also do the canvas kits, because obviously you've got a bit more awkward with the canvas. We do a different ECU completely to this, like a carburettor, special carburettor ECU. If you're interested in any of these conversions, give me a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, the old site, which has got this on. The new site, customcruisers.eu, bit slow, but we are getting there. But will be cool when it's done, much easier to use. Or alternatively, email sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.